Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar. Starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I still personally think this is going to start making its way up, probably at least to the 78% Fibonacci extension. I think it needs to take out the higher wave W and the higher wave 4 because I believe this is 3 waves of W, 3 waves of X, and it should make 1, 2, 3 waves up for a wave Y. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, first of all, I think this is an A over here. I think this is a B. Then that makes this right here a wave 1. That makes this a big old ABC correction, most likely a 2. I think there's a very good chance that this is going to start a wave 3 over the coming weeks, making higher highs, higher lows in a wave 3. And keep in mind, this is the weekly monthly time frame, so this is going to take months and months to play out. So taking it down to the daily time frame, it still really hasn't been able to break and hold above structure, as you can see, which tells me that there's really no proof that the wave C really is over yet. I think there is a pretty good chance that it will break and hold. We do have some dollar news coming out today, just unemployment claims or rates. So probably not a huge deal, but hopefully it does cause enough volatility to cause it to go up, break structure, hold above structure, so that way we can confidently start looking for longs at the end of every single pullback we see, especially on the shorter time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, we really haven't been able to break and hold above this structure yet. It did kind of break up a little bit, but really so far it's not been able to hold, telling me that if it does make like a big impulsive move to the downside, that I definitely will take it as a short. Since there's no proof that this move down is over, I will take it as a short, and there's always a chance it just keeps on going down. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I hope that it breaks up today. I hope that it breaks structure and holds above structure at the news. Then I can start looking for pullback entries in the coming days and weeks. But as of right now, it definitely hasn't broken and held above structure. So if it does, do like that double top, then break structure to the downside with a big engulfing move, then I definitely will take it as a short for the continuation of the downtrend. So I'm paying attention to my structure. A break and hold above structure will turn me into a buyer. A break and hold below this structure will turn me into a seller. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.